Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you to reach your full potential and live a life without excuses. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of no excuses. Are you ready to transform your mindset? And how do we break free from the chains of excuses? It all starts with taking ownership of our actions and decisions. No more blaming circumstances or other people. It's time to take control of our lives. Start living your best life? Let's dive in. Before we jump into strategies for eliminating excuses, let's understand what excuses really are. Excuses are simply barriers we create in our minds to avoid taking responsibility or facing challenges. They prevent us from reaching our goals and living the life we desire. But guess what? Excuses hold no power unless we give them power. Identify your excuses. Take a moment to reflect on the excuses you've been using to justify why you haven't achieved your goals. Write them down and acknowledge them for what they are, limitations you've placed on yourself. Reframe your mindset. Instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks, see them as opportunities for growth. Every challenge you face is a chance to learn and improve. Embrace the journey, and you'll find that excuses lose their power. Set clear goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to get lost and make excuses for why you're not making progress. Define what you want to achieve and create a roadmap to get there. When your vision is clear, excuses fade away. Take action consistently. Excuses often arise from procrastination or lack of motivation. Break free from this cycle by taking small, consistent actions toward your goals every day. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Surround yourself with supportive people. Your environment plays a significant role in your mindset. Surround yourself with people who uplift and motivate you to be your best self. Together, you can overcome any excuse that comes your way. Hold yourself accountable. Take responsibility for your actions and hold yourself to a high standard. Whether through journaling, accountability partners, or tracking progress, find a method that works for you to stay on track and accountable. Practice self-compassion. It's important to remember that we're all human, and we all make mistakes. Instead of beating yourself up over setbacks, show yourself compassion and kindness. Learn from your experiences and keep moving forward.